Hi everyone. Romans 15 verse 7. Paul says, accept one another, then just as Christ accepted you. Wow. In order to bring praise to God, he says. This is such a simple verse, but wow, it's so difficult. Because you and I, we know what we're like. I don't need anybody to tell me what I'm like, and I'm sure you don't need anybody to tell you what you're like. And yet, God accepts us. Now today we're Christians, and we've grown and we've changed. But just think back to the day that you were born again. Think of all the issues in your life, all the problems, the attitudes, the unforgiveness, the issue, all these things. And yet God just opened his heart, opened his arms, and embraced you as a son and a daughter of God. He opened the door for you to come and sit at his table and feast with him, to live with him for eternity, just as you are. He accepted you. Now we are to accept one another the same way. That's not easy, because all of us like to accept people with limitations. We like to accept people if they change. We like to accept people if they sort of fit into our understanding, as it were. But God is looking for something far greater. So I want to challenge you this morning. This word accept, listen to it. In the Greek, it literally means to take to oneself. It's not an attitude of tolerance. No. It's not an attitude where we're saying, I'm putting up with a person, you know, they're there, and no. It's accepting them, taking them to oneself, bringing them into your home, your heart, your life. That is the acceptance. So in order for us to do this, something needs to take place in our life. Because in this acceptance, there's no room for prejudice. There's no room for judgment. There's no room to look at people with our own understanding, through our own eyes, our own glasses, as it were. No. We need to accept them the way God has accepted us. And you see, God wants to bring that into our lives and our families, into the church, this attitude where God prevails. We accept one another as Christ accepted me. So, if I want to have that heart, it's not me trying to change you so that you are more acceptable, but it's God changing me, because that God changes me and enables me to accept you the way you are. The focus is not on you, the focus is on me. And so in every situation, God will use you, that person, that situation, to change me. That's important. God bless you.